Hey buddy! Welcome back to Quiz Universe. Today, we're kicking things off with a super fun challenge. Guess the movie by emoji. We've lined up 15 puzzles, and you'll have just a few seconds to guess each movie. Get them right, and you rack up some points. Think you've got what it takes? Before we dive in, smash that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you never miss out on the fun. All right, let's do this. First question. Guess the movie by emoji. Spider-Man. That's how you start with a bang. Next up, The Lion King. Ready for a tough one? It's Inside Out 2. Bonus round, spot the odd emoji out. Got it? Nice job. Your eagle eyes caught it. Can you name this movie? The Little Mermaid. What about this one? It's Shrek. Now we're talking. Time for another. The Addams Family. You nailed it. What's your guess? Frozen, Let It Go, or Don't. Here's a fan favorite. The Super Mario Brothers. Quick question. Would you rather never watch movies again or leave a comment with your all-time favorite movie? We want to know. Drop your answer below. Recognize this one? It's Barbie. You're on fire. Guess the movie by emoji. Kung Fu Panda. Chopsticks ready? This next one's sneaky. Elemental. Can you tell what this movie is? Madagascar. Move it, move it. Pick one and see what happens. First level coming in hot. Which movie is this? Perfect start. It's super scary. Next up, can you guess this one? Yep, it's Spider-Man. Here's an easy one. Got it? Lion King, of course. Spooky vibes incoming. Nailed it! It's Scream. This one's the hottest film right now. Know what it is? Tell us in the comments. Classics alert! This timeless gem is Titanic. Who could forget a rat that can cook? Ratatouille, you got it. Next one's a piece of cake. Kung Fu Panda. Guess this movie? Wednesday. Nailed it! It's everyone's favorite Christmas film. Home Alone. Bonus round. Spot the 6 differences in these photos. Time's up. Did you catch them all? This one's super familiar. Yep, Finding Nemo. Guess the movie from these emojis. Zootopia. What about this one? It's got to be Harry Potter. And finally, Edward Scissorhands. Nice job! Let's kick things off. Which spooky clown-themed movie do you think these emojis represent? It. Not clowning around with this one. Time for some emotions. Can you guess this animated movie about emotions controlling the mind of a little girl? Inside Out. What's cooking? Which animated film stars a talented rat who dreams of becoming a top chef in Paris? Ratatouille. Feel the roar. This classic Disney film takes us through the journey of a lion prince finding his way back to the throne. The Lion King. Guess the hero. Which superhero swings through New York City, fighting crime with his web powers? Spider-Man. Holiday hijinks. What's the name of the movie where a kid gets left behind at home during Christmas and has to defend the house? Home Alone. Epic love story ahead. Which film is about a young couple who meet aboard an ill-fated ocean liner? Titanic. Need a break? Take a wild guess. Can you name this next film based on the emojis provided? Drop your answer in the comments. A scream-worthy movie. Which horror film involves a masked killer tormenting teenagers? Scream! Dark vibes. Can you guess the Netflix series about a young girl attending a peculiar school for outcasts? Wednesday. Spot the odd emoji out among these choices. Can you find the one that doesn't belong? Nice catch. Under the Sea. Which Pixar movie follows a clownfish searching for his missing son? Finding Nemo. Abracadabra? Can you name this magical movie about a boy wizard destined to defeat a dark sorcerer? Harry Potter. This movie is Poultry in Motion. Which animated comedy is about chickens plotting their escape from a farm? Chicken Run. Spot the three differences. Find the odd details hidden between these two images. Can you identify them all before the clock runs out? All right, kicking things off. Can you guess this first movie from emojis? It's Home Alone. Here we go. Can you figure out this one? The Super Mario Brothers. Put your emoji skills to the test. Spider-Man. This one's a web-slinger classic. Emoji movie puzzle coming right up. King Kong. Take a wild guess. What movie is this? Inside Out 2. Such a mind-bending adventure. These emojis are a little spooky. Guess the movie. Five Nights at Freddy's. Memory time. Remember all the emojis? Now, where's the home emoji? Yup, it's right at the start. Quick, which movie fits these emojis? It. suspense is real. Time for some childhood nostalgia. Guess the movie? Teenage Mutant Ninja Turtles. Can you name this family-friendly flick? The Boss Baby. This emoji puzzle is a classic. Any guesses? E.T., such a heartwarming film. Which feathery friends are these emojis hinting at? The Angry Birds. Calling all Paris lovers. What's this movie? Emily in Paris. Dust off your glass slippers. Can you guess this? Cinderella. Slam dunk with this last one. What's the movie? Space Jam. Thanks for playing along, Quiz Universe Squad. Drop your score in the comments and tell us how many you got right. Did you beat the clock? If you love this challenge, don't forget to subscribe and turn on notifications so you never miss out on the fun. Can't wait to see you in the next video. Until then, keep your emoji game strong.